In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see blocked list on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Snapchat app. Once it is done, tap right here at your profile picture or avatar. After that, tap at that gear to head over to the settings, and once the settings is loaded, scroll down all the way until at privacy control section you will find blocked users. If you tap at blocked users, it will show you all the users you have blocked on Snapchat, and from here, let's say if we want to unblock a user, we can easily do so just by tapping right here at that cross icon next to it, just like that. To confirm it, hit at yes, and that's how we can easily unblock any user. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.